So let's talk about oaks. So there's several types of forest in the eastern deciduous that are dominated by one or a few species of oaks. And in the mixed Mesophytic, we get some oaks because they're on the edges of their ranges there. So there's quite a bit of oaks in the mixed Mesophytic. This is one of the most common ones in North America. This is northern red oak. So northern red oak is a member of the black oak or red oak group. So we've got sort of two main groups of oak, the red oak group and the white oak group. And so this is red oak, and the way we tell is if you look at the leaves, so simple or compound? Simple, and they're alternate on the twig. All right, so simple alternate leaves, and they're lobed, right? We have all these lobes here, usually 5 to 7 lobes around the leaf. And like all the red oak, the oaks in the red oak group, the lobes are kind of pointy, and they have little bristles on the tips, bristles on the teeth. Right? The white oak group, which we'll talk about next, has sort of rounded lobes without the bristles on them. So that's the key distinguishing factor there. Northern red oak has relatively small buds. You can see a cluster of buds on the terminal end of the twig, and they're sort of conical, they're small and brown and pointy. The twigs are smooth and sort of a greenish brown. And then the bark is, even when these trees get pretty big, the bark is relatively smooth. It's sort of large plates. So platy bark with these furrows in it, and the furrows are quite dark. So sort of dark grayish brown furrows. It's a very large tree, very valuable timber species, so makes really high quality lumber, and it's got a wide range across a lot of eastern North America. Oh, the acorns, this one doesn't seem to be producing acorns right now. Acorns are maybe about an inch, half inch to an inch long, and if you see a northern red oak acorn, it's like the classic one where the cup of the acorn, the top part, it looks like a little beret. It's like a saucer-shaped cap on that acorn. So if you ever see like a cartoon drawing of an acorn, that's what the northern red oak one looks like. I'll see if I can find one. Can't usually find them on this tree. Anyway, northern red oak. Any questions?